Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new foldable flagship Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 could get an Ultra upgrade and other massive features, including camera, chipset, display, and more. New details and leaks claimed that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could get an Ultra upgrade. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has now been around for a couple of months, and its most recent additions to its Galaxy A series were also introduced, just before Mobile World Congress at the beginning of March. That means all eyes are turning to the company's folding phones, and the latest report suggests there could be a long overdue update for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in the pipeline. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 leak details a massive camera upgrade. According to GalaxyClub, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could come with a higher resolution main camera sensor than we have seen previously from the range. It's suggested that the flagship folding device will borrow from the Galaxy S25 Ultra by offering the same 200-megapixel main sensor, which would be quite a significant resolution increase on the Galaxy Z Fold 6's 50-megapixel offering. If the rumor is true, it would make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 the first folding device from Samsung to launch outside of South Korea with a 200-megapixel sensor, and it would also close the camera performance gap between Samsung's flagship Galaxy S Ultra and the Galaxy Z line. What else might the Galaxy Z Fold 7 offer? The report on GalaxyClub also mentions the under-display camera of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and suggests that too will see an improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It doesn't specify a resolution increase, but it does say it will get better. As for the other rear cameras and the front camera, the report suggests these will remain the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which would mean the 200-megapixel main camera will be joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, while the front camera will remain at 10 megapixels. There's currently no official word on when we might see the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 arrive, though rumors, supported by the GalaxyClub report, suggest July is the month to mark in your calendar. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and there is also talk of a tri-fold device, which would presumably rival the Huawei Mate X-T if it arrives. Other phone specifications and the exact price of the new foldable smartphone are not officially confirmed. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.